Hi, good day. I'm 6378. Please introduce yourself.
My name is Marites Bongong Punhal, 36 years of age, married, and I have three kids with the age of 11, 14, and 16. I live in La Trinidad Benguet, and
Your highest educational attainment.
I am undergraduate college. I just only finished 3 years in college because I choose to work than to continue my studies.
Okay, what course do you take?
My course is BTTE,
B-
Bachelor in Technical in Teaching Education, Secondary, sir.
okay. Okay, tell me about your experiences as a helper.
I have experience of, to work abroad in Singapore and in Malaysia. In Singapore, I worked there as a DH and I served one family, a five member of the family, one elderly, two adults, and two children. And my duties and responsibilities in Singapore are taking care the elderly, she's a 72 years old, cooking, cleaning the house, ironing clothes, and washing clothes too. Also, I do basic Chinese cooking, sir.
Okay, and you have also experience in Malaysia. Tell me about your experience in Malaysia.
And in Malaysia also, sir, I work there as a DH and I serve one family, one couple, and they have three kids. And my duties and responsibilities in Malaysia are uh, cleaning the house, ironing and washing the clothes, tutoring the kids especially, and playing with them too, sir.
Okay, so you are the one who do all the household chores and taking care of the children. But I saw that you don't have any experience taking care of a newborn. My question is, it is okay to you to take care of a newborn baby?
No, sir.
You haven't, you afraid to take care of a baby. But you could try, right?
Yeah,
Okay.
I'm willing to take care.
Because you have a children, right? So you know
Yes, sir.
how. And you know how also to prepare milk for your babies, right?
Yeah, I know, sir.
Okay. If the baby is crying, what will you do?
I when the baby is crying, sir, I check the diaper first, and if the baby is still crying, I do I do the body temperature, and if it is still crying, I call my employer to do something.
Okay, so you will ask help for your employer.
Yes,
Because
sir.
maybe only the parents know what to do to the baby to make it stop to cry, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Why do you want to work in Hong Kong?
I want to work in Hong Kong because Hong Kong is the safest place and they give a high salary.
Okay, and how long do you want to work in Hong Kong?
I want to work in Hong Kong as long as my employer want me to stay with him.
So it is okay to you to extended your contract, right? Okay. For sure you have an idea to prepare foods like Chinese cuisines, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, what kind of Chinese food can you prepare?
Chicken curry and pork belly with chicken feet, sir.
How about steam? Do you know some steam food?
The fish I can steam too.
Okay. If your employer prepare food, it is okay to you to eat the food that they provide.
Yes, sir. It's okay for me, sir.
It is okay to you to share a job without a helper.
Yes, sir.
How about cutting your hair into short?
It is okay for me, sir.
Color it into black. It is okay with you?
It is okay, sir.
Okay. How about what will be your message for your future employer?
To my future employer, if you choose me, I promise that I do my best, and I promise that I serve your family with loyalty and honesty, and I promise that I finish my 2 years contract before I come back here in Philippines.
Okay. Thank you so much, Miss Marites. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. God
Okay.